Hi my dear students, today we are going to do exercise 3.6 of NCERT textbook. This exercise contains few questions which are not in the form of a pair of linear equations in two variables but can be reduced into the form of a pair of linear equations in two variables. There are 8 questions under question number 1. The first one is 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y is equal to 2, and the second equation is 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y is equal to 13 by 6. These two equations are not in the standard form of a pair of linear equations in two variables. Even if they are not in the standard form, we can solve these equations in a very simple way. Let us see how we can solve this in a very simple way. I write the first equation. 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y is equal to 2. I am simplifying the LHS with the LCM. So I get 3y into 1, 3y plus 2x into 1, 2x whole divided by 2x into 3y, that is 6xy is equal to 2. Now cross multiplying, I get 2x plus 3y is equal to 2 into 6xy is 12xy. I give this one equation number 1. Similarly, I take the second equation. Now 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y is equal to 13 by 6. Simplifying the LHS, 2y into 1, 2y plus 3x whole divided by 3x into 2y, 6xy is equal to 13 by 6. Now from the LHS and RHS, denominator 6 will be cancelled, and as a result we are getting 3x plus 2y is equal to 13. X into y is 13xy, which is equation number 2. Here, usually we have the RHS, a constant. But here, in equation 1 and equation 2, you can see we have a 12xy and 13xy. But we will solve as if there is no xy in the RHS by the elimination method. That is, we are going to eliminate x or y from these two equations. For that, we have to make the coefficient of x or y equal. So here I am going to eliminate y. For that, I have to make the coefficient of y equal in equation number 1 and equation number 2. For that, in equation number 1 the coefficient of y is 3, and in equation number 2 the coefficient of y is 2. The LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So, to make the coefficient of y is equal to 6 in equation number 1, I multiply equation number 1 by 2 and equation number 2 by 3. So, equation number 1 is multiplied by 2 gives 2 into 2, 4x, 2 into 3y, that is plus 6y is equal to 2 into 12, that is 24xy. I give this equation number 3. Now I multiply equation number 2 with 3 gives 3 into 3, 9x plus 3 into 2, 6y is equal to 3 into 13, that is 39xy, which is equation number 4. Now equation number 3 and equation number 4 are with the same coefficient for y. Both are of same sign, so I have to subtract. I subtract equation number 3 minus equation number 4 gives 4x minus 9x, that is a minus 5x. 6y minus 6y will be eliminated, is equal to 24 minus 39 is equal to minus 15x1. Now minus will get positive, and now Now, in both the sides, you can see x. X also can be eliminated, cancelled. That is, dividing both the sides by x gives 5 is equal to 15y. Therefore, we get y is equal to 5 by 15, which is equal to 1 by 3. So here we are eliminating y from equation 1 and 2, and we are getting the value of y. Now we substitute. Y is equal to 1 by 3 in equation number 1 will give us the value of x. In equation number 1 we have a 2x plus 3y means 3 into 1 by 3 is equal to 12x. Y means here also you have to substitute the value of y, that is 1 by 3, and as a result we get 2x plus 3 and 3 will be cancelled, 1 is equal to 12 and 3 get cancelled, 4. So in RHS we have 4x. Now I take 2x to RHS. 1 is equal to 4x minus 2x. That gives 4x minus 2x. 2x is equal to 1. Therefore x is equal to 1 by 2. Y is equal to 1 by 3. X is equal to 1 by 2. So finally we can write xy is equal to 1 by 2 comma 1 by 3. So here actually these equations can be reduced into the form of standard form of linear equations in two variables, that is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. But here without converting it into the standard form, we got the values of x and y. The next question we are going to do is question number 2. Under question number 1, the equations given are 2 by root x plus 3 by root y is equal to 2 and 4 by root x minus 9 by root y is equal to minus 1. Definitely, you know that these two equations are not in the standard form of a pair of linear equations in two variables. So here we have to convert this into the standard form. For that, I will give a substitution, that is, I will give a 1 by root x is equal to, let 1 by root x is equal to p and 1 by root y is equal to q, because here 2 by root x plus 3 by root y is equal to 2 is actually 2 into 1 by root x plus 3 into 1 by root y is equal to 2. Here 1 by root x and 1 by root y will be replaced with the p and q. As a result, we will get the linear equation in two variables in the standard form, but the variables will be p and q. That gives 2p plus 3q is equal to 2, and I give this equation number 1. Similarly, the second equation, now 4 by root x minus 9 by root y is equal to minus 1 will be converted by the substitution. 1 by root x is equal to p and 1 by root y is equal to q, and we get 4p minus 9q is equal to minus 1. This is given equation number 2. 4 by root x means 4 into 1 by root x, so 4p minus 9 by root y means minus 9 into 1 by root y, so minus 9q is equal to minus 1. Now we will solve the equations 1 and 2 by the method of elimination. Here I am going to eliminate the variable q. For that, I will multiply equation number 1 with the 3, and I get equation number 1 is multiplied by 3 gives 3 into 2 6p plus 3 into 3 9q is equal to 3 into 2 6, which is given equation number 3. In equation 2 and equation 3, you can see that the coefficient of q are of equal but with the opposite sign. So I will add equation number 2 and equation number 3. As a result, for p plus 6p is equal to 10p, minus 9q plus 9q will be cancelled, minus 1 plus 6 is equal to 5. Therefore, we get p is equal to 5 by 10 and therefore p is equal to 1 by 2. Now we substitute p is equal to 1 by 2 in equation number 1. Substituting p is equal to 1 by 2 in equation number 1 gives 2p means 2 into 1 by 2 plus 3q is equal to 2. 2 and 2 will be cancelled, we get 1 plus 3q is equal to 2 and therefore 3q is equal to 2 minus 1, hence 3q is equal to 1. Hence we get q is equal to 1 by 3. So we have p is equal to 1 by 2 and q is equal to 1 by 3. We have to find the values of x and y. We know that p is equal to 1 by 2 means p is actually 1 by root x. So 1 by root x is equal to 1 by 2. We are taking the square on both the sides. Taking the square on LHS, we get 1 by root x the whole square is equal to 1 by 2 the whole square. 1 by root x the whole square is 1 by x is equal to 1 by 2 the whole square is 1 by 4. Taking the reciprocal, we get x is equal to 4. Now similarly, q is equal to 1 by 3 means 1 by root y is equal to 1 by 3. Taking square on both the sides, we get 1 by 3 is equal to, 1 by y is equal to 1 by 9. Taking the reciprocal, y is equal to 9. Therefore, finally we have x comma y is equal to 4 comma 9. Hence, we solved this question by reducing the given equation into the standard form of a pair of linear equations in two variables. Now see, 8th question under question number 1. 1 by 3x plus y plus 1 by 3x minus y is equal to 3 by 4 and 1 by 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 by 2 into 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 by 8. Here also, we need to reduce this into the standard form of a linear equation in two variables. For that, we will use the substitution, that is, let p is equal to 1 by 3x plus y and q is equal to 1 by 3x minus y. As a result, here, first equation 1 by 3x plus y plus 1 by 3x minus y is equal to 3 by 4 will become 1 by 3x plus y is p plus 1 by 3x minus y is q is equal to 3 by 4. Cross multiplying with the 4, we get 4 into p 4p plus 4 into q 4q is equal to 3, which is equation number 1, which is a linear equation in two variables p and q. Now second equation, now 1 by 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 by 2 into 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 by 8 will become 1 by 2p minus 1 by 2q, because 1 by 2 into 3x plus y is 1 by 2 into 1 by 3x plus y, and here also 1 by 2 into 1 by 3x minus y. So by leaving the substitution, p is equal to 1 by 3x plus y and q is equal to 1 by 3x minus y, the second equation becomes 1 by 2p minus 1 by 2q is equal to minus 1 by 8. Multiplying all the terms by 2, we get p minus q is equal to minus 1 by 4. And again on cross multiplying, 4 into p for p minus 4q is equal to minus 1, which is equation number 2. Equation number 1 is 4p plus 4q is equal to 3. Equation number 2 is 4p minus 4q is equal to minus 1. Here we are going to solve the two equations by eliminating the variable q. I write the first equation 4p plus 4q is equal to 3. Equation number 1. To eliminate q, I have to add equation 1 and equation 2. 4p plus 4p is 8p. Minus 4q plus 4q will be cancelled. Minus 1 plus 3 is equal to 2. Therefore, we get p is equal to 2 by 8 and it is equal to 1 by 4. Now substitute p is equal to 1 by 4 in equation number 1 gives p is equal to 1 by 4 in equation number 1 gives 4p means 4 into 1 by 4 plus 4q is equal to 3. 4 and 4 will be cancelled. We get 1 plus 4q is equal to 3. That gives 4q is equal to 3 minus 1. Again it gives 4q is equal to 2. Therefore, q is equal to 2 by 4, which is equal to 1 by 3. So we are getting p is equal to 1 by 4 and q is equal to 1 by 2. We have to find the values of x and y, not p and q. You know what is p? We have p is equal to 1 by 4 gives, p means it is 1 by 3x plus y is equal to 1 by 4. Taking the reciprocal, we get therefore 3x plus y is equal to 4. I give this one equation number 3. Now q is equal to 1 by 2 means 1 by 3x minus y is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, taking reciprocal, 3x minus y is equal to 2, which is equation number 4. Now we have to solve equations 3 and 4 by elimination method to get the values of x and y. I am going to eliminate y here. Under equation number 4, I write equation number 3. 3x plus y is equal to 4, which is equation number 3. Equation number 3 plus equation number 4 will eliminate the variable y. 3x plus 3x, 6x is equal to 2 plus 4, that is 6. Therefore, x is equal to 6 by 6 is equal to 1. Now substitute x is equal to 1 in equation 3 or equation number 4. I substitute equation number 3 gives x is equal to 1 means equation number 3, that is 3 into 1 plus y is equal to 4. That gives 3 into 1, 3 plus y is equal to 4. Therefore, we get y is equal to 4 minus 3, which is equal to 1. Therefore, the values of x and y are 1, 1. So this is how we solve this question by reducing the given equation into the standard form of a pair of linear equations in two variables. Now we move on to question number 2 of exercise 3.6, which contains some problems on real life situations. The first question is, Ritu can row 20 km downstream in 2 hours and upstream 4 km in 2 hours. Find the speed of rowing in still water and the speed of the current. Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours, whereas she can row 4 km upstream in 2 hours. Find her speed of rowing in still water and the speed of the current. The situation is, when a person row a boat in the downstream means she rows the boat in the direction of flow of water, which is always helping her to increase the speed of the boat. And when she row in the upstream, it means that she is against the flow of water, which always reduces her speed of rowing. That means in downstream means the speed of the boat will be increased, and in upstream the speed of the boat will be reduced. Here the two quantities to be calculated are the speed of the boat in still water. Still water means if there is no flow of water, that is the water in a pond. In a pond there is no flow of water. And the speed of the current means the speed of the flowing water. So we will take these two quantities as x and y. Let speed of boat in still water is equal to x km/h and speed of current is equal to y km/h. If x and y are the speed of the boat in still water and the speed of the current respectively, then in downstream the total speed will be the sum of the two speeds, that is x and y. Therefore, speed of boat in downstream will be equal to x plus y km/h, and the speed of the boat in upstream will be equal to x minus y km/h. In downstream, the speed of the boat will be increased due to the support of the flowing water, but in upstream it is against the flow of water, so the original speed of the boat will be reduced due to the opposing force of the flowing water, so the speed in upstream will be x minus y. So we have the speed of the boat in downstream is equal to x plus y, and the speed of the boat in upstream is equal to x minus y. Now we have two values. Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours. That means in downstream the distance is given, time is given, speed is x plus y. We know that distance is equal to speed into time. In downstream, the distance covered is equal to 20 km. Speed is x plus y and the time is 2 hours. Ritu can row a boat 20 km downstream in 2 hours. Means distance is equal to 20 km. Time is 2 hours. In downstream, the speed is x plus y. We have distance is equal to speed into time. So we get 20 is equal to speed x plus y into time 2. Dividing by 2, we get x plus y is equal to 10. A very simple equation, x plus y is equal to 10. Now in upstream, Ritu rows upstream 4 km in 2 hours. That is, distance is equal to 4 km. Time is equal to here also 2 hours. And the speed is equal to x minus y. Therefore, we can say that distance d is equal to speed into time. That gives distance 4 is equal to x minus y into 2. Dividing both the sides by 2, we get, therefore, x minus y is equal to 2, which is equation number 2. X minus y into 2 is equal to 4. Dividing both the sides by 2, we get a very simple equation, x minus y is equal to 2, which is given equation number 2. In equation 1, we have x plus y is equal to 10. Now we can solve the two equations by simply eliminating the variable y. For that, I add equation 1 and equation 2 gives x plus x 2x is equal to, because minus y and plus y will be cancelled, 2 plus 10 12, therefore x is equal to 12 by 2 is equal to 6. Substitute x is equal to 6 in equation number 1 gives 6 plus y is equal to 10. Therefore, y is equal to 10 minus 6, that is equal to 4. We have the value of x is equal to 6. The value of y is equal to 4. Therefore, speed of boat in still water is equal to 6 km per hour, and the speed of current is equal to 4 km per hour. Now look at question number 2 under question number 2. The question is, 2 women and 5 men can finish an embroidery work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time required for a woman alone to do the work, and also that required for a man alone to do the work. Here the question is about completing a work. In mathematics, a complete work is considered to be 1. If you say that half of the work is done, then we say that the work completed is equal to 1 by 2. If you complete the work, then we say that the work completed is equal to 1. According to the question, 2 women and 5 men can complete the work in 4 days. That means work of 2 women plus work of 5 men in 4 days is equal to 1, because they complete the work. In the second case, 3 women and 6 men can complete it in 3 days. That is, work of 3 women plus work of 6 men is equal to also 1. We have to find what is the number of days, or how many days are required for a woman alone to complete the work, and also how many days are required for a man alone to complete the work. These are the 2 unknown values. We will represent these 2 values by using the variables x and y. That is, let number of days required for a woman alone to finish the work is equal to x. That means a woman can finish the work in x days, and number of days required for a man alone to finish the work is equal to y. That is, a man can complete the work alone in y days. So if the same step is written in a reverse order, we can write that. Therefore, work of a woman alone in x days is equal to 1, because number of days required for a woman alone to finish the work is equal to x, means she can finish a work. A complete work is considered to be 1. Therefore, work of a woman alone in x days is equal to 1. Work is equal to 1 means she finishes the work. Similarly, work of a man alone in y days, that is also equal to 1. This is work of a woman in x days. Therefore, work of woman in 1 day will be equal to 1 by x. Work of a woman in x days is equal to 1 means work of a woman in 1 day is equal to 1 by x. And similarly, work of a man in 1 day is equal to 1 by y, because work of a man in y days is equal to 1. Therefore, work of a man in 1 day is equal to 1 by y. Unitary method. We are given two conditions in the question to form the equations. According to the first condition, 2 women and 5 men can finish an embroidery work in 4 days. Therefore, we can say that work of 2 women plus 5 men in 4 days is equal to 1. Work of 2 women plus work of 5 men in 4 days is equal to 1. Work of 2 women means 2 into 1 by x. Because 1 by x is the work of a woman in 1 day. So 2 women can do the work 2 into 1 by x. In 4 days means so into 4. Plus work of a man in 1 day is 1 by y. 5 men work for 4 days. So work of 5 men in 4 days will be equal to 5 into 1 by y into 4 is equal to 1. So we get 2 into 4 8 by x plus 5 into 4 20 by y is equal to 1. I give a substitution for 1 by x and 1 by y. For 1 by x I give p, so 8p plus. For 1 by y I give q. 20q is equal to 1, which is equation number 1. Here I give 1 by x is equal to p and 1 by y is equal to q. Now we have second case. According to the second case, 3 women and 6 men can do the work in 3 days. Work of 3 women plus 6 men in 3 days is equal to 1, because they complete the work in 3 days. 3 women and 6 men. Here, work of a woman in 1 day is 1 by x. So work of 3 women in 1 day is 3 into 1 by x. In 3 days, so into 3 plus. Work of a man in 1 day is 1 by y. So therefore, work of a man in 1 day is 1 by y. Therefore, work of 6 men will be 6 into 1 by y into, for 3 days we multiply by 3, that is also equal to 1, and we get 3 into 3, 9 by x plus 6 into 3, 18 by y is equal to 1. Here also I give a substitution for 1 by x and 1 by y. So we get 9p plus 18q is equal to 1, which is equation number 2. Now we have to solve equation number 1 and equation number 2 by means of a elimination method. So either we have to eliminate p or q. For that, if you want to eliminate p, I have to make the coefficients of p in both the equations same. For that, I multiply equation number 1 with 9. Equation number 1 into 9 gives, here I multiply by 9, 9 into 8, 72p plus 9 into 20, 180q is equal to 9 into 1, 9, which is equation number 3. Now I multiply equation number 2 with 8 gives 8 into 9, 72p plus 8 into 18, that is 144q is equal to 8 into 1, 8, equation number 4. Now we have to subtract equation number 3 minus equation number 4, minus, minus, minus. 72p minus 72p will be cancelled. 180 minus 144 is equal to 36q. 9 by minus 8 is equal to 1. Therefore, q is equal to 1 by 36. Now I substitute q is equal to 1 by 36 in equation number 1 gives 8p plus 20 into 1 by 36 is equal to 1, which gives 8p plus, we can cancel by 4, we get 5 by 9 is equal to 1, that gives 8p is equal to 1 minus 5 by 9. That gives 8p is equal to 9 into 1, 9 minus 5, that is 4 by 9. And therefore p is equal to 4 by 9 into 8. 4 and 8 will be cancelled, so it is equal to 1 by 80. So we have q is equal to 1 by 36, p is equal to 1 by 80. Now p is equal to 1 by 18 means we know that p is substituted for 1 by x. So 1 by x is equal to 1 by 80. Therefore x is equal to 80, taking the reciprocal. Now q is equal to 1 by 36 means q is replaced for 1 by y. 1 by y is equal to 1 by 36, therefore y is equal to 36. Hence, we are getting x is equal to 18 and y is equal to 36. It means that number of days required for a woman alone to finish the work is equal to 80, and that required for a man alone to do the work is 36. With this question, I wind up this exercise as well as the lesson. We will meet in the next class with a new lesson. Till then, take care. Goodbye.